Hello, how are you? You from China?
No, I'm from South Korea.
Yes, Korea? Ah, good. One photo, this okay? One photo. One photo.
For you?
Okay, yes.
Where should I take it?
This, okay? Miss.
Over there? What the...
Yes, Hollywood. Come here, mate. Okay. Basa. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. What's your name?
My name is Yoon. Where are you from?
I am from Tajikistan. Tajikistan. Tajikistan, China.
From Korea.
What's your name?
Yen.
Yen. Nice to meet you. You live in Los Angeles?
No, we just came from... we are cabin crew, so we're just staying here.
Good. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Cheers.
Thank you. Bye.